Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Stollen bread. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of unsalted butter, and 50 grams of fresh yeast. Don't forget the aromatic spices like cinnamon, cardamom, and a hint of nutmeg. We'll also use 150 grams of mixed dried fruits and 50 grams of blanched almonds for that classic texture. Now let's craft the dough. Begin by activating 50 grams of fresh yeast in 150 milliliters of warm milk with a teaspoon of sugar. In a large bowl, combine 500 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Add the activated yeast mixture, 100 grams of melted butter, and 1 egg. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it is smooth and elastic, then let it rise for 1 to 2 hours. Next, we'll incorporate the delicious additions and prepare for baking. Gently fold in your 150 grams of soaked dried fruits and 50 grams of blanched almonds into the risen dough. Shape the dough into an oval, then create a distinct ridge down the center, mimicking a swaddled baby. Place it on a baking sheet and bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, until golden brown. For the perfect finish, immediately after baking, brush the warm Stollen with 100 grams of melted unsalted butter. This helps keep it moist and provides a base for the sugar. Then, generously dust the entire loaf with a thick layer of powdered sugar. This iconic white coating not only looks beautiful, but also helps preserve the bread. Store your Stollen in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks for optimal flavor development.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.